This is your weekly stimulus check and stimulus package update. I will cover very quickly everything that happened during the last week and where do we stand with the second stimulus check. Let's go. Hello everyone, welcome back to the Finance Kit. As always, my name is Dion and I am here to push your financial mindset towards a better reality. In this video, we will do a very quick weekly update on the second stimulus check and the next stimulus package. And for those of you that are part of this community and you have already subscribed, welcome back and thank you very much. And if you're not a subscriber, maybe this is your first time around here, go ahead and hit the subscribe button right away. It doesn't cost you anything after all. And I will bring you all the stimulus updates along with other personal finance tips in the future. Let's get straight to the details. I will give you a quick overview of all the news that came out last week, which I already covered in my other videos, but this should be a nice refresher for you. And boy, did we get some positive news last week. The week started with the president saying, and I quote, "I think we're going to be helping people out and getting some money to them." This was one of the many recent statements by the president supporting another stimulus check bill, by the way, which we all know is much needed. We also had a bipartisan group of senators to propose the Skills Renewal Act, a $4,000 tax credit to offset training costs for people. People that continue their education or certification may qualify for up to $4,000 tax credit to offset the cost of that education and stay competitive in what is forming to be a very brutal job market. Then we had Senate Majority Leader Mitch McConnell saying that Congress will probably have to pass another coronavirus relief bill, and it will decide whether to do so in the coming weeks. Let's not forget that as of the beginning of this week, some Americans also started receiving their stimulus checks via prepaid debit cards. And I truly hope, if you're watching this video, you have received your first stimulus check already. It has been way too long of a wait for some people. During the week, we also had the number of unemployed Americans up to 42 million, according to the CBS News report. But on the positive note, we saw the new jobs report as well, which showed that many people are going back to work and rehiring is finally picking up. We can't forget about another statement from Mitch McConnell last week. And that was that the next stimulus bill will be the final one and it will be well crafted and evaluated for probably a month. In addition, last week we had some renewed public announcements for a second stimulus check from Kamala Harris and Andrew Yang. During a virtual town hall, they brought up again their proposals for a second stimulus check for $2,000 a month, and a second stimulus check, or a dividend is how Mr. Yang called it, for $1,000 a month for life. The week ended with the president and the vice president once again pushing the idea for payroll tax cuts. And the vice president announced firmly, we've got to have a payroll tax cut. So, as you see, we had a very positive week with much needed push towards another stimulus package and possibly a final stimulus bill with a second stimulus check. Out of all those announcements from last week, which one stood out the most for you? Let me know down in the comments, please. Also, don't forget to like and share my videos so more people can see it. I'm very optimistic. I mean, we have both sides of the aisle throwing ideas. We have the president stepping firmly forward with what he wants to see in the next bill. More proposals again circulating the news. So overall, we're in a great position. Next week will be even more exciting. I'm sure we're getting closer and closer to finalizing what will happen next and what will be included in the possibly one last stimulus relief bill. I will continue to bring you daily stimulus updates and other personal finance tips in the future, working around the clock for you and sharing my content as soon as physically possible. Thank you if you have already subscribed to my channel. If not, make sure to hit that subscribe button and the bell notification. I hope this video was informative and provided some value to you. Like and share so more people can see it. And don't forget, down in the description, you will find other helpful links and other helpful videos. Thank you for pushing your financial mindset towards a better reality. Until next time, stay positive, master your finances, and take a good care of yourself and those around you.